So hello everyone, this is the Codutsav 5.0 Team Fighter. So what we have developed is we have developed a ML model based on random forest, decision tree and CNN to predict the emotion of audio. So let me just show you a demo. Like here if I enter, suppose Manoj, the name of person is Manoj, and let me choose a random audio to test what the emotions are. So suppose I gave him this audio, and when we press submit, then what it will do is it will interact with the ML model and give the emotion. I mean, it has the different criteria of emotion. So here you can see the current emotion is 6 and 6 corresponds to disgust. So this is what, and also I will show you another example. Let me just go to the home page again. So here this button is for the live recording. Like here I can record hello 1 2 3 4 mic testing, and I can play that for mic testing. Okay, and I can download from here. But now what I want to show you is, suppose there is Aman whose previous records are also been recorded, and when I am choosing a randomly audio file, and when I submit, so what I can see is the previous records of Aman, and on the basis of previous records it is giving the total counts of all the kinds of emotion on which Aman has called, and the current emotion is 3, that is sad. And here it is giving prank alert. Why prank alert? Because see, the happy emotion has come 4 times, and in an emergency situation a person cannot be happy this much times, because emergency situations are near majority of time fearful or sad or seeking for help. Okay, so this is what. Also let me just show you the admin panel. So here in the admin panel you can see that, oh sorry, okay, so here goes password, and when I press enter, this is our admin panel where you can see all the hacks, or say all the call logs are being recorded. So these are all the call logs, and if I enter into anyone, we can see the name of user, audio and the emotion, and the user uh, password is saved on SHA-256 encryption, so no one can see it. And this was it. And also the Google Colab file is made on, trained on decision tree, random forest and CNN, and you can see that here the forjob.joblib file is used for the Google Colab, and here we are using the librosa library and seeking all the features, and then we are saving the emotion. So this was our project. Thank you everyone.